This moving quote agent is insane. It gives you your price within a minute. Usually when you'd call a moving company, it would take hours before they figure out how much it's gonna cost for you to move your house. If you're a moving company or just wanna figure out how complex agents work, this video is for you. Let me show you how. Cool, let me give my Lindy agent a call.
Thank you for calling Lindy Moving and Storage. This is Lindy Assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi Lindy, I wanna get a quote.
I'd be happy to help you get a quote. What's your name, please?
My name's Samir.
Got it, Samir. Is the number you're calling from the best one to reach you?
Absolutely.
What's the zip code where you're moving from?
I'm moving from 94102.
Okay, zip code 94102. And what's the zip code where you're moving to?
I'm moving to 95102.
Got it. How many rooms are you moving?
I'm moving 3 rooms.
Do you need packing service?
Yes, please.
And do you need disposal service?
Yes, please.
Perfect. I have all the information I need. Please hold on.
The agent is now going to go into a state where it's going to calculate exactly, based on the amount of distance, how much it's going to cost.
Based on the information you provided, here's your moving quote. For your 3-room move from 94102 to 95102, which is a 75-mile move, I estimate approximately 6.25 hours of work. Your base moving cost is $825 for the first 3 hours with our team of movers, plus $552.50 for the 3.25 additional hours. Packing service would be $688.75, which includes all materials like boxes and tape. Disposal service would be $500 for removing unwanted items. Your total estimated cost is $2,566.25. Does that quote make sense to you? Do you have any questions about the breakdown?
That is so expensive.
I understand your concern. This estimate is based on several factors, including the distance of 75 miles between San Francisco and San Jose, the time for packing services, which includes all materials, and the disposal service. Would you like me to explain any part of the breakdown in more detail, or are there options you might want to adjust, like perhaps handling some of the packing yourself to reduce that portion?
No, I think this is good. Thank you so much.
Perfect. I'm going to send you a detailed breakdown of this quote via email right after the call ends. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding your move?
Nope, that's all. Thank you so much. And after the call ends, the agent also sends the clients an email breakdown of exactly how much it's going to cost them. Guys, I do not remember an experience where a call to a moving company was this seamless and I got the written quote right after it. Get on Lindy right now. When you log into your Lindy platform, you're going to be taken to the homepage. From there, you're going to click on New Agent and then Start from Scratch. This is the flow editor. This is where you orchestrate your whole phone agent, and I'll show you exactly how you can make your own. The first step is selecting a trigger. For this agent, we're going to have the trigger be inbound phone call. So phone call received, and then we're going to select a phone number. Now I'll drop my prompt for the agent step down below, but feel free to tweak however you want it to. As you can see, this prompt has instructions on what this agent is about, what its exit condition is going to be, what the opening statement is, and what's the information that it needs to collect from the callers. Once it has all those 7 items, for my prompt, I have it exiting without saying anything further. The next step, I will also define the exit condition to be once you have collected all 7 data items and said, perfect, I have all the information I need, please hold on. After that, we'll run a code block that can give the clients a quote based on the zip codes that they provided. I will also drop the code in the comments down below, but again, feel free to tweak it to your own liking. Now that our agent has the information it needs to give the caller a quote, we're going to have it go back into an agent step where it can speak. Again, I will drop this prompt down below, but feel free to tweak it however you want it. Perfect. In just 3 steps, we've created a phone agent that can handle all incoming calls, greet them, collect the information, run a code block that can get the quote pricing, and then exit the call right after telling the customer all the information they need. The second part of this agent is after call ends. So after this call ends, we also want to give the clients an email about their quote. For that bit, we're going to choose the send email action. Now, in the send email action, I'll just have to extract the email of the client from the transcript. And this is how you link the transcript anywhere. Remember to put it in prompt AI mode, just so the agent can smartly extract the email. And for the body of the email, I'll just reference the code output and tell the agent to send them a summary of what we coded them. But there's one caveat to it. What happens if the call ended prematurely or if the agent wasn't able to collect all the information? For that reason, we need to implement a condition right before we send the email. For the successful happy path, we're gonna put the condition to be if you got all the information from the client, which includes phone, name, origin and destination, and packing and disposal needed. If the agent was able to successfully gather all of that, it's going to proceed to the send email action, which we've already configured. However, in the not so happy path, we're going to configure the condition to be if the call ended prematurely or you do not have all the information needed to send them an email. We're just gonna link that branch to do nothing action. And voila, you have your agent set and ready to go. All that's left for you to do now is literally just turn your agent on from here and then just give it a call. All your life, you've been told that making phone agents is the difficult most thing ever to do. We just showed you in under 10 minutes how you can make your very own phone agent. Head over to Lindy AI right now to make your own phone agent.